Thank you for viewing the video demonstration of the Online Franchise Operations Manual by FranMan. Here, we're going to discuss some of the hot new features of our new online manual product. But before we start, let's take just a few moments to review some of the most common complaints regarding the traditional printed paper manuals. First, our clients tell us they can never keep up with the updates. They also say that when they do finally get around to updating the manual, they can never be sure that the franchisees are reading them, much less inserting the pages in the appropriate places in their manual. Finally, they tell us that it is difficult to find exactly what they want in the manual. They say that searching for a specific topic is just too time-consuming. With the new Online Franchise Operations Manual by FranMan, your manual will always be current. This means that you will never have to pay someone to update your manual again. With FranMan's new online manual, your franchisees will be automatically notified instantly of any changes to the manual. This means that your franchisees will always be up to date on your most current system standards. With FranMan's new online manual, the tracking feature will allow you to know which of your franchisees have read the most current content. FranMan's new online manual also includes a powerful search feature that will save you time, helping you find exactly what you're looking for. Look and feel. Your franchisees will likely access the online manual from your existing intranet. When you log into the online manual, one of the first things that you will notice is that it will mirror the look and the feel of your company's website or intranet portal. This demonstration has been designed to resemble the FranMan website. As you can see, the transition between our website and the online manual are virtually seamless. All the graphics and content on the home page of the manual are fully customizable. The navigation buttons are located on the left side of the screen. These buttons and their content are fully customizable as well. For example, if your company already maintains a document library, this button can be deleted or simply replaced with another. Navigating the manual. When you click on the Operations Manual Navigation button, an outline listing all of the sections or chapters of your manual will be presented to you below. It will also appear in the pane located in the center of the screen. Navigating through your manual is now as easy as selecting a heading and then clicking your way down through the content. Real-time updates. One of the most important features of the online manual is the ability to request updates to your manual from anywhere that you have an internet connection. This means whether you are in a weekly operations meeting, or traveling with a field consultant, or simply working out of your home, you can make the request to update your operations manual at any time. Here's how it works. Suppose you were in a weekly operations meeting and the decision has been made to add an approved supplier. In the past, with paper manuals, it was typical for the proposed update to be added to a list of changes that would be included in the next revision of the manual. The problem with that system is that oftentimes, especially when things get busy, the manual updates never make it high enough on the priority list. As a result, you end up with a manual that is 5 to 10 years outdated. Now, watch how easy manual updates are with your new online manual by FranMan. The change we want to make is with approved suppliers. Using the Operations Manual navigation button and the outline that it provides, you can find the section that discusses approved suppliers. Here we are. Now, every page on the manual includes a button that reads, "Suggest a change." When you click on that button, a mail form appears. The system will have already filled in the sender's name, their email address, as well as the location in the manual where the change is being requested. All that's left is a description of the requested change. Here, we'll type in, "Please add IBM Business Solutions to the approved suppliers list. Our account representative is Sue Wilson. Her phone number is 555 252 7896. Hit the submit button and you're done. Now, here's what happens behind the scenes when you submit a change request. Once we receive a change request, we determine whether the request came from your home office or from a franchisee. If the request originated with a franchisee, then we will authorize the change request with you. Once we receive authorization to produce a change, or if the change originated from your home office, then we will proceed to produce a requested change. When we have completed our work, we will submit the change to you for approval. When you receive the proposed manual update, you will either approve or edit the content. Once you are completely satisfied, you will return the approved update to us for implementation in the manual. When the manual has been updated, the system will automatically generate an email to all of the users on the system, both home office and franchisees. In addition, the system will generate a change notification, and that will appear when a user logs on to the manual. The change notification will appear every time the users log on to the manual until they've read the updated content. That whole process of updating the manual could take as little as a couple of hours from start to finish, depending on the complexity of the change. In addition, the time investment on your part would be minimal because the majority of the work would be completed by FranMan. Here's what the change notification looks like. You'll remember that we just made a change to the approved suppliers list. Watch what happens when I log into the system again. Now, I have the option to either view the recent updates or continue to the online manual. Search. Now, let's talk about the search feature of the online manual. This is a real time saver for the users because it eliminates the necessity to flip through hundreds of pages of manual in order to find the one piece of information. With the online manual by FranMan, those days are behind you. The search box is permanently placed at the top of every page in the manual. That means that no matter where you are within the manual, you will have convenient access to the search feature. Simply type your search term into the box and click on Search. For this demonstration, I will conduct a search for the word marketing. The system will return a list of sections that will include the word marketing in them. Marketing support. That is exactly what I'm looking for. When I click on the line, it takes me directly to that page of the manual. One of the first things you will notice is that the system has conveniently highlighted the search term everywhere it appears on the page. Tracking. The tracking feature is usually a favorite feature of your franchise attorney as well as your field consultants. This is because this feature allows you to produce reports that track the activity of your users within the online manual. Your field consultants will utilize this feature when they are conducting their periodic site visits with your franchisees in order to ensure that they are staying up to date with the manual changes. Your franchise attorney will utilize this feature in the event that your company is ever involved in a lawsuit that involves the application of your system standards. Your attorney will be able to quickly produce a report that shows when and if that franchisee has ever visited the sections of the manual that pertain to the lawsuit. Here's how it works. The Admin navigation button will only be available to the members of your staff whom you give administrative rights. The last option is Site Statistics. The first page that comes up is an overview page. This shows you a system-wide report of which sections of the manual have received the most traffic. The sections are listed in order of page views. To the left, you have the option of specifying dates and users. Thank you for viewing the demonstration of the Online Franchise Operations Manual by FranMan. At FranMan, we focus our resources on your operations manual so that you can focus on your franchise system. For more information, you can call us at area code 214-207-2035 or simply send us an email to kit.vinson@franman.net.